ever close Google Chrome but your PC still feels busy. If your default Chrome settings can keep using memory and system resources even after you're done browsing. Here are 5 settings I recommend checking to make Chrome work better on your PC. You just open Chrome, click on the address bar, now type Chrome:/settings/system and hit enter. And look for continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. If you don't rely on Chrome apps running after you close the browser, turn these settings off. When it's enabled, Chrome may continue running background processes even after all the browse windows are closed. This can use memory and CPU resources that could be available for other programs. If you regularly use Chrome-based apps or notifications, you may prefer leaving it on. For most home users, turning it off is the better choice. Now again type Chrome:/settings/performance and hit enter. Now scroll and look for memory saver. If it's disabled, enable it. Memory saver automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep, freeing memory while keeping tabs available. When you return to a sleeping tab, Chrome simply reloads it. If it usually keeps dozens of tabs open, this is one of the Chrome's most useful performance feature. For most people, I recommend using the balanced option. If your PC has limited RAM, and the maximum option may be the better fit. While you are still on the performance page, scroll and look for energy saver. This feature reduces Chrome's background activity to help extend battery life. If you are using a laptop, I recommend enabling it when your computer is unplugged. If you mainly use a desktop, the settings ain't as important since you are connected to the power all the time. Now go back to Chrome:/settings/system. Now you will see use graphics acceleration when available. This setting isn't something I recommend changing unless you're having problems. If Chrome works normally, leave it enabled. If you are seeing video playback issues, screen flickering, or graphical glitches, try turning it off. Restart Chrome and see whether the problem goes away. The right choice depends on your graphics hardware and drivers. Finally, let's clean up your extensions. Now type Chrome:/extensions. Hit enter. Every enabled extensions uses system resources. Some use very little. Others can noticeably affect browser performance. Take a minute to review what you have installed. If you no longer use an extension, remove it. If you only use it occasionally, disable it instead. Fewer extensions usually mean fewer background processes and lower memory usage. None of these changes will dramatically double Chrome speed, but together they can improve how efficiently it uses your PC's resources. Now, which Chrome settings made the biggest difference for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoy practical Windows and browser tips without the jargon, consider subscribing. Sektor. Thanks for watching.